Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant and I cook plants. Today we're going to learn how to make restaurant-style vegan chicken Parmesan. This batch bake recipe is perfect for meal prep. Take a moment to gather these ingredients, and when you're ready, let's begin. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For each patty that you intend to cook, use 1 tablespoon plant-based yogurt, 1 tablespoon grated vegan Parmesan, 1/4 teaspoon garlic pepper seasoning, 1/4 cup plant-based mozzarella shreds, and then a little pinch of basil. Drop your choice of frozen vegetable upon the tray, drizzle it with olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Bake this for 10 minutes, and if you're planning to have pasta, now would be the time to start it. After 10 minutes, cover each of the patties with 1/4 cup of the marinara sauce and a heaping tablespoon of the cheese mixture. Broil for the final 10 minutes. The result has a perfect stringy browned cheese, crispy vegetables. Don't forget to add a little extra vegan Parmesan on top. This dish has far fewer calories, less sodium and fat than chicken Parmesan at an actual restaurant, and still a sizable amount of protein. Best part is, it's still stringy with the cheese, full of flavor, and the price point, well, I'll let you judge that for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, share this video with your friends and family, and stop by lessonplantkitchen.com for nutrition information and blog posts.